Ronnie, it seems like all the time there is some holiday coming up and it's very difficult for a lot of people to buy gifts.
You know, I do understand that, and there's a lot of anxiety about that, but I'm going to take you into Mayer Jewelers. They have the best selection of not just jewelry, but a wide variety of gifts for everyone.
Okay.
Come on, let's go in. Ken, I would love to introduce you to two of my favorite people. This is Max Mayer.
Hey, Max.
Good morning.
And his daughter, Brianna Mayer. Hi.
So I understand this business goes back a while. How did this whole thing start?
My parents had a business, this business in Pennsylvania, started about 1956.
56, wow.
Yeah. And then my mother passed away unexpectedly, and there was a time lapse of the business, and my brother and I were both in the military, and when we got out of the military, we restarted the family business here in Lake Wales, and that was March of 1973.
How did you learn about the jewelry business?
Well, I kind of grew up in it, but wasn't learning much at the time. But when I got out of the military, out of the Air Force, I went to jeweler school in Pennsylvania on the GI Bill, and I've been at it ever since, and that's almost 52 years ago.
Good decision?
Yes, very good.
So Brianna, how did you get into this? You kind of inherited part of it because of your dad,
Yes.
but beyond that.
Well, as long as I can remember, I grew up working in the store through high school and college, and I went off and did my own thing for 11 and a half years. I worked at a spa over in Winter Haven as a massage therapist. And in 2020, when COVID hit, it was either we had to lock the doors, or because the ladies that worked for us retired, or I came back to the family business. And we were too close to hitting 50 years, and so I decided it was time to put my business aside, came back, and I've been working with my dad ever since.
So you do all kinds
Great
of things
story.
here. Yeah, it is a great story.
Yes.
What kind of impresses me is that you have estate stuff, you make things.
Yes.
So explain what's going on there.
So we have one of the largest selections of estate jewelry, which we call pre-loved jewelry. Some of it's truly old pieces, some of it's newer pieces, but at the end of the day, it's been pre-loved. But we clean it up and put some new sparkle on it, and it goes into our showcases. We also have a case of new and custom design jewelry. So my dad, he creates jewelry. We don't just fix it and sell it, but he actually designs and creates it. And I pulled a little thing to show. Everything starts with a wax mold, and then through his magic, turns it into gold. So it's kind of a fun process to do. We can use our customers' gold and stones to recreate, make new family heirloom pieces to pass down over generations. The new jewelry, we can order it. It's in catalogs. It's not hard to come across, but our customers seem to really enjoy the older pieces, the estate pieces that have stories to them, as well as getting to create their own.
Can you tell us about the other services that you provide here?
We do everyday things like changing watch batteries for people and fixing broken watch bands. Brianna and I help people to design new jewelry from their family heirlooms. Probably most commonplace are watch bands and batteries on a daily basis.
So tell us the days that you're open, because you're not open every single day.
Correct. So we are here Monday, Tuesday, and Thursdays from 10 to 5, and Saturdays 10 to 1.
Okay, so now I know where to come if I want any kind of jewelry and a little bit of education about it.
That's right, because at the very beginning you said there's so many opportunities that you need to buy something, and now you found your favorite place.
So you're going to be expecting jewelry from me?
At Christmas and Easter and
I'm committed.
And birthdays and all of the above.
So if I'm committed to coming in and checking things out, I think you should be too, just to talk to these folks about their history, about what they have here, and maybe the history of some of the pieces, because it's really cool. Check them out.
Yes, and shop downtown, everybody.